I just finished my build. Everything should be fine. I had one issue a little bit ago with the I plugged a cable in upside down and backwards. But you ready? Let's find out. Post. Let's turn the monitor on. Should click on my keyboard soon. That was the opening beep. This one's higher pitched than the last one. Asus. I get to fix the CPU fan! Yeah! There's one issue! But while we're at this, let me flip through my LED modes. That's one. Ooh, that one's cool. Ooh, look at that one. How about this one? Maybe this one? But this one? No, that's just red. Ooh, a slow like. Woo!